Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Toshiba washing machine error code E64. So guys, E64 indicates a dryer heating error, usually a fault in the heater, thermostat, or wiring in the washer dryer models. Now, to fix this, unplug the washer for at least 5 minutes to reset the system, and also ensure proper airflow around the dryer outlet and clean any lint or debris from vents and filters. Also, avoid overloading the machine, so too many clothes can trap heat and trigger the error. Now, guys, if any of these doesn't work, you will just simply go ahead and call a technician for this to be fixed, and it may need a repair or replacement. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching.